Good morning, children. I am Shobha, your new mathematics teacher for online classes. Children, you know to express numbers in many ways. You have learned this in your lower classes. Here, 6 is expressed in numerical form. 6, there are 6 apples. 6 is shown here in terms of apples. 6 can be expressed through pictures. 6 can be expressed through English alphabets. You know very well, you have taken the help of your fingers to show the numbers. Here, one girl is showing 6 digits in her flashcard. There are 3 dots here. Out of 10 squares, 3 squares are shaded. 3 vertical bars here, 3 cubes here, and your favorite snack and ladder die shows 3 dots here. Here 3 is shown on number line. Everyone now you know to draw the number line and to represent the numbers on number line. You know to represent or to write the numbers from abacus spikes also. Now one bit here, it's in rightmost spike on the abacus is ones place. It is tens place. It is hundreds place. There are 4 bits here. It is 4 is in hundreds place. 6 bits here. 6 is in tens place. There is 1 bit here. 1 is in units place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. This is abacus with 4 spikes. How many places are here? 5 places are here. There are blue 3 beads on one's spike. It is 10 spike, tens place. There are 4 yellow beads and there are 6 beads in hundreds place. Only 1 bead in thousands place. 5 blue beads in 10,000 place. The number, we can read the number 51,643. 51 is in thousands period, so it is read together. 51,000. 100 tens and ones places are in ones period, so it is read together. While watching the video, you can read the number yourself for this abacus number. How many places are here in this abacus? There are 4 places. Ones place, see, I'll start from thousands place. There are 4 blue beads here and 4 is in thousands place. So write 4 here. 1000 period over, insert the comma. Then hundreds place. There is only 1 bead in hundreds place. Write 1 in hundreds place. There are no beads in tens place. So write 0. There are 2 beads in ones place. So write 2 in ones place. That's how you have to represent the numbers from abacus. These are all the ways, many ways to represent numbers. Numbers here, the number is 236. It is in expanded form 200 plus 30 plus 6. In word form, through English alphabets, you can express the numbers 236. Standard form, you have to write the digits in their places. Now you cannot, the number is big, you cannot draw the number line. Here it is shown symbolically, the number line also we can represent the number. These are blocks. This is one block of 100 and 100, 200. Here it is one strip of 10, 20, 30. 30 is represented by 3 strips. Here 6 units. There are 6 small units here. So 200 is shown in this way. You can represent numbers through pictures also. Tally marks. See, tally marks. There are 4 vertical bars, and here also that first figure, it was clearly shown 4 vertical bars and 1 slanting bar. It is group of 5. These are known as tally marks. 5 plus 1, it is 6. Tally marks you will study in your 6th standard or 5th standard. You will study how to represent the number through tally marks. Now if you know the number, it's enough. So we will take some sums from the exercise 1-1. First lesson 1 exercise, it is write the number for the number name. Here name is given 35,000. Write 35,000 period over, insert comma, then 999. Write 999. It's very easy to write the number from number name. 14,009. 14,000 is, see here, write 14. Then insert comma after thousands period over. Now 9, right. It is nothing is mentioned here about hundreds place and tens place. So write 00. Write only 9 in units place. That's how you have to write numbers for the number names. Here the number is given. If there is no comma in the given number, you have to insert the comma first to read the number. Insert commas, go to rightmost digit. After 3 digits, insert comma, then read the number. Then write the number name. 56,000, it is 56,000, and silent, it is 0 in hundreds place. So don't mention any inward form, don't mention anything. Write 79. Fifth question is 99,009. Write 99,000. Then hundreds place and tens place are 0. Write 9 in ones place. Next question is write all numbers between 66,666 and 66,670. How to get the next number? You have to word to this number. But be careful, while writing you have to omit these two numbers. You should not write. If you include these numbers, then you will lose mark. See, 966, it is between. You have to write the numbers between these two numbers. You should not include these two numbers. Add 1, write the next number. 66,667. Next, add 1 to this number, write the next number. 66,678. Add 1 to this number, 66,679. I'll not explain. It's very easy. You have to add 1. You have to write all these numbers yourself. Here the answer is given. I'll not explain much. Next question is make the greatest number possible using the following digits. Third question, 5 digits are given here. Identify which is the greatest digit among the given digits. It is 7 here. Next greater digit is 4. Next greater digit is 3. Next greater digit is 2. Next greater digit is 1. Write the numbers in descending order. Write the numbers in descending order. So insert commas. How to insert the commas? After units place, go to unit place. 3 digits, after 3 digits, 1 period over. Insert commas. Then thousands periods you will get. Read the number, write the number name. 74,000. Read the digits together in 1 period. It is thousands period. Read together 74. Then 321. Read the numbers together in 1 period. Write the number name. Next question is very easy. 5 digits are given here. 60591. Identify the greatest digits. 9. Next 6. 510 96,000 it is. 96,510. Now next question is G may find the numbers. How to find the numbers? They have given one condition. It is 300 more than 21,735. Children, more than means what? It is you have to add. right? You have to add 300 to 21,735. While adding, observe the place values properly. That's why I have inserted table here, return digits according to the place values. Where is hundreds place? You have to observe the 100 place clearly. For the two numbers also to write the digits. Write 3 in hundreds place and add the digits. 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 0, 3, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry over. Here you have to add 1, 1 plus 1, 2 it is. 2. 22,035 is the answer. Next 10th question is 900 less than 35,431. So what do you mean by less than? You have to subtract. You have to subtract 900 from 35,431. Write 35,431. Observe the places. Write 900. Where 9 should come? It should be in hundreds place. So subtract now. 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 0, 3. You cannot subtract 9 from 4. You have to borrow 1 from thousands place. Borrow 1 from 5. It will become 14. 14 minus 9, 5. How much is here now remain? It is 5. It is 4. Right, 1 already taken to the hundreds place. 4. Right, 4. Nothing. You need not subtract anything. 4. Right, 3 as it is. 34,531 is your answer. You now understood clearly what do you mean by more than, what do you mean by less than. So what is 1 more than 9? 9 plus 1, it is 10. What is 1 more than 99? 99 plus 1, it is 100. You have to add 1 to 99. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. When you add 1, you will get 3-digit number. Here similarly add 1 to 1 more than 999 means add 1 to 999. You will get 1000. So 1 more than 9,999 is 10,000. Here is the greatest 4-digit number it is. When you add 1, you are getting 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Add 1 to 99,999, you will get 1 lakh. But here you got a 6-digit number. You didn't learn the place value of 6-digit numbers. We will learn now. So write the place value chart. Here you are adding 99,909. Add 1 to 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 9, 10. How to read this number? How many zeros are here? 5 zeros are here and 1. It is, you can read the number 100,000 or 1 lakh. Lakhs form separate period. We will learn the place values. Till now, you have learned the place values for 10,000 period. The number is written here in this place value chart. We will learn the periods, places and the number and the place values of the number. Here the top row represents periods. The next row represents places. How many places the period consists of? That means here one's period consists of 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now thousands period consists of 2 places. It is the thousands place and 10,000s place. Lakhs period consists of actually 2 places. You will learn the second place after few classes. Now you are going to learn only 1 place. What are the place values? Let us see. See, here 2 is in 1's place. Place value of 2 is 2 ones. That is 2 into 1, it is 2. 3 is in 10's place. its place value is 3 tens. It is 30. The place value of 4 is 4 into 100, 400. 8 is in thousands place. Its place value is 8 into 1000, 8000. The 2 is in 10,000s place. Its place value is 20,000. 3 is in lakhs place. So the place value of 3 is 3 into 1 lakh. It is 3 lakh. You are clear in your place values, right? So we will take some sums from exercise 1-3. Write in figures the place value of the digits in blue. Here which digit is in blue? Here 8 digit is in blue color. Where it is? Where is its place? Its place is in 10,000's place. The place value of 8 is 80,000. So the number is 7,63,487. 7 is, which digit is our required digit? It is 7. There are 2 7s here. But which is our digit is, blue digit is, blue color 7 is in 1's place. What is its place value? The place value of 7 is 7. It is in 1's place, it is 7. Children, what is the place value of this 7 here? You can tell the place value of this 7 yourself. Next question, 8th question. 8,78,939, which our blue color digit is 8 here, but in which place it is? There are 2 8s here. Where it is? It is in thousands place. The place value of 8 is 8 into 1000. It is 8,000. Next question is 5,11,496. The place it's very easy sum. 4 is in hundreds place. So we need our blue color digit is 4. 4 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 4 is 400. Write the numbers names. Very easy questions. Questions from exercise 1-2. You have written the number names and you have written the numbers for the number names. Here you have to write the number names. For the read the number. If they didn't give the numbers with comma, you have to insert the commas first to read the number. Here there are 6 digits. Where you have to insert the digit? After, right from the rightmost digit, you have to insert the commas after hundreds place. After thousands period, you have to insert the comma. Then read the number. 6,09,080. Write 6 lakhs period is over. Thousands period is 00. So be silent in your word form to represent the thousands period. Don't mention anything. Now hundreds place is 0. Tens place 0. So be silent in word form about hundreds place and tens place. Write 9. 6 lakhs 9 it is. 7 lakhs 49,003. So write 7 lakhs. Write the period name instead of comma. Write the period name. Lakhs it is. Now 49. Write 49 in words. Then write your period name. It is thousands period, right? Now hundreds place and tens place are 0. Be silent in your word form. Write only 3. 3 lakhs 49,003. Next question is from email. Write the numbers for the number names. 2,120,000. Write 2 lakh. Write 2 for 2. Write 2 for 2. Now instead of lakh, insert the comma. Now nothing is mentioned here about thousands period. So write 0 zeros for 10,000 0 for 1000 0. Next 100 for 100 write 1 in hundreds place. For tens place write 2. Then next nothing is mentioned about ones place. Write 0. If you get little bit confusion while writing the numbers, write the place value chart, insert, observe for periods, write the numbers mentioned for each period, then write the number. This is the easy way to write the number. One more easy way to write the number. Here next question, 10th question is 3,18,011. Write 3 instead of lakh, insert comma. 18,000, write 18,000, thousands period over, insert comma, then 11. Hundreds place is silent here. So write 0 for hundreds place. Write 11. Hope you are clear in place values of 6-digit numbers. Here there are 2 self-assessment questions. You should be able to solve it. If you could not, watch the video from the beginning and you should solve it yourself. Thank you, children.